friends, we knew your math teacher. Today we will do our question 11 of grade 9th of chapter quadrilaterals. So you have this figure. In this figure you have given that triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, AB equal to DE. AB जो है वो DE के equal है and these are also parallel. And second, BC is equal to EF and these are also parallel. Clear? And the what says A, B, C are joined to DEF respectively. Now what we have to prove? Your first part is we have to prove that quadrilateral A, B, E, D, this A, B, E, D. You have to prove that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram, and we know that when we have to prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, two conditions are there. Firstly, we can prove that its one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. या तो हम ये शो कर दें कि एक पेयर जो ऑपोजिट साइड्स का है वो इक्वल और पैरेलल है, या हम क्या शो कर दें कि दोनों पेयर्स जो हैं ऑपोजिट साइड्स के पैरेलल हैं. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे हमें जो है ऑपोजिट साइड्स ए बी एंड डी ई ये हमें इक्वल भी दी हुई है और ये हमें पैरेलल भी दी हुई है. क्लियर? सो दैट मीन्स इफ वन पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल देन दैट क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज ए पैरेललोग्राम. क्लियर? So it's very simple. So let's start. We have this given, this first part proof. So in quadrilateral ABED, what we have given, AB is equal to GE and AB parallel to DE. This is given. So if one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, then that quadrilateral becomes a parallel. Clear? So therefore quadrilateral ABED, it's one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, so it is a parallelogram. So therefore quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Clear? So now same as its second part, that is next second part is we have to prove that quadrilateral BEFC, quadrilateral BEFC, this. Clear? You have to show that BEFC is a parallelogram. A parallelogram ये तभी होगी same as it if its one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So we have known that BC equal to EF. BC is equal to EF. One pair of opposite side is equal, and also BC parallel to EF. ये opposite side जो है one pair ये equal भी है और parallel भी है. So that quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. Same as it our first part. So proof in quadrilateral BEFC, we have given that BC equal to EF and BC parallel to EF. Clear? One pair of opposite sides equal and parallel. This is we have given. Same reason, if one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, then quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram. So our this quadrilateral therefore quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. Clear this part? Now come to third part. Third part is we have to prove that AD parallel to CF and AD equal to CF. कहने का मतलब क्या हो गया? You have to prove that ACFD. You have to prove this is a parallelogram. Clear? Means आपने opposite sides equal and parallel show करनी है. तो means ये क्या हो गया? Parallelogram show करना है. So ACFD ये वाला आपने शो करना. और हमें क्या प्रूव कर लिया हमें कि ABED और BCFE या BECFC these are parallelogram. अगर ये दोनों parallelogram है, इसमें हमें जो AD चाहिए इसकी AD आ रही है और दूसरी की क्या चाहिए हमें CF. उसी parallelogram में हमारे पास क्या है CF है. Means AD if ABED this is a parallelogram, so its other pair that is AB is also equal to BE and AD is also parallel to BE क्योंकि हमें AB equal to DE ये हमें गिवन था जिससे हमें इसको क्या प्रूफ कर दिया था parallelogram. अब हमें ये पता चल गया दिस इज ए parallelogram. हमें इसका दूसरा पेयर चाहिए. दिस इज ए parallelogram, so AD is equal to BE. Now in parallelograms ABED and parallelogram BCFE ये दोनों ने parallelogram फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट में किए हैं. So if these are parallelograms, so then there are other pair जो हमें AD से आ रहा है. This AD is equal to AD जो है किसके इक्वल होगा इस parallelogram में BE के. And दूसरी parallelogram में क्या आ रही है BE साइड आ रही है. ये किसके इक्वल है ऑपोजिट साइड क्या है इसके CF. BE के ऑपोजिट क्या आ रही है CF साइड and BE is equal to CF. These are parallelograms, so opposite sides are equal. So opposite sides are parallelogram. So next, if these are AD equal to BE and BE equal to CF, so what we observe? This implies AD is equal to CF. Two things are equal to the same thing. AD भी BE के इक्वल है, CF भी BE के इक्वल है. इसका मतलब AD और CF क्या होंगे इक्वल होंगे. क्लियर? From this first we have proved that AD is equal to CF. ये आ गया. And also if these are parallelograms, opposite sides are equal and also parallel, so AD is also parallel to BE and BE is also parallel to CF. Clear? So opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel. Clear? So now if AD parallel to BE, AD BE के पैरेलल है और BE जो है CF के पैरेलल है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ AD और CF भी आपस में क्या हुए पैरेलल हुए. AD parallel to BE and BE parallel to CF. So this implies AD is parallel to CF. So hence proved. Hence AD is equal to CF and AD is parallel to CF. Clear? Now our next fourth part is we have to show that ACFD is a parallelogram. In fourth part we have to prove quadrature ACFD is a parallelogram. तो अब ACFD में हमने ये ऑपोजिट पेयर इक्वल शो कर दिया. AD equal to CF and AD is parallel to CF. वन पेयर हमने थर्ड पार्ट में इक्वल एंड पैरेलल शो कर दिया. सो दिस इज आल्सो ए parallelogram. Now same as it जैसे मैं फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट किया है. Now in quadrature ACFD, AD equal to CF and AD parallel to CF. Why? Proved in third part. So same reason. So if one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, so then that quadrature BCFG becomes a parallelogram. Clear? You have to write reason same as it first and second part जैसे हमने लिखा है. Now come to your next, that is fifth part. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AC equal to GF. Now our fifth part which we have to prove, AC is equal to GF. This AC is equal to GF. We have proved in fourth part that ACFG is a parallelogram. ACFG is a parallelogram, and AC and GF, these are opposite sides of this parallelogram, so they are also equal. So proof parallelogram, in parallelogram ACFG, opposite sides are equal. So therefore AC is equal to GF. Clear? ये हमारा हो गया प्रूफ कि ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल एंड पैरेलल होती हैं. Now our sixth part, what we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. You have to prove that. So now how we prove that these triangles are congruent? Same to same है. So that means we have given that AB is equal to DE. AB जो है वो DE के इक्वल है, ये हमें गिवन है. AB is equal to DE. This is given. And next BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF. This is also given. And third two sides है. अब two sides है. तीसरी भी हमने AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. तीसरी साइड हमने जो इक्वल शो कर लिए फिफ्थ में. AC is equal to DF. Proved above. Proved in fifth part. So all three corresponding sides are equal in these two triangles. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by which criteria? All three corresponding sides are equal. So that is S, S and S. Clear? Hope you understand this question. Thank you.